In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix part of screen black in Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if some parts of your screen are appearing to be black, especially around the edges or top and down, there is a quick fix you can follow. To do this, just go to the Start menu and then click on Settings. Now under Settings, go ahead and choose Display. From this, scroll down until you see display resolution. Currently, you can see this is the current display resolution and it is quite low. That's why I'm experiencing this problem. To fix this, click on it and then look for recommended setting from the list, and you can see this is the recommended settings. Go ahead and click on it, and this will go ahead and ask you to keep changes. Click on it, and now look at that. This has been fixed. You can see the whole screen is okay and the issue has been cleared. So that's how you can fix part of screen black in Windows 10. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.